Welcome to this Systems for Dentists training video. In this video, we're going to be exploring the risks and benefits feature from within the software. We're going to look at setting up the risks and benefits and how you then use them on a patient record. First, we need to visit the setup page. To do so, we click on the tooth in the top left hand corner and select setup. From within there, we need to go to documents. In our document editor, we can then create our template or open an existing template. I'm going to open my root canal treatment document, and once I'm happy with the template, I can save it into our risks and benefits folder. I simply select the type as risks and benefits. Now that our document's been saved, I can then close the document setup and go to risks and benefits in the products section. Now by selecting my root canal template already, again I can check this template to ensure that I'm happy with the content. Once I'm happy with that and it's saved, it's now time to link it to our treatment item. To do this, I go to the items within products. In this case, I'll search for my root filling. And on the properties for that item, we have an option for risks and benefits. From the drop down, I select my template, my root canal, and select save. Now that I've linked it to an item, the setup for risks and benefits is complete. So I can close my setup page and open my patient record. In this case, we'll use Christopher. Now I go to treatment to open Christopher's treatment form. And then I add my treatment items. So I'm placing on my exam, my x-rays. And then in a second visit, I will have them return for a root filling. Now I'm then going to tick off to say what I've done for today. So ticking the complete and charge for my exam and my x-rays, fill in my x-ray report. And now that I've done that, I'm going to generate my risks and benefits template from the top of the treatment form. When selecting R&B, you have the option to print or to write. In this case, we'll select write. This then gives me my template options, so I can select my root canal, and it brings up my template on screen. I can then edit this document before deciding to print it for a patient, emailing it to them, or I can then send it to be signed on a patient's portal. Thanks for watching. You'll find more videos as well as a series of FAQ help guides on our website. For other inquiries or support requests, please don't hesitate to call.